Next on Discount Store TV, we've got an amazing 60-second sale for you here. This is the Fairy Non-Bio Pack. You've got 5 pieces here, 10028. It's £29 for the 40 wash non-bio fairy. You've got the Kind and Gentle stain remover. You've got 50 black refuse sacks. These are 50 litre. You've also got the Fairy Original washing up liquid, and you've got the stain removing powder as well. Whatever you do, folks, don't miss out on this one. 0800 689 1679. And what we'll do as well, if you make that call now, we will make it into a 6-piece pack, because I'll give you the brand new Fairy ironing water as well. That is a 6-piece pass, a 6-piece pack for just £29, and I can tell you now, that is fantastic value for money for those items. Make that call now, 0800 689 1679, 10028, £29. You really can't go wrong at that. That's a great deal.